Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm working on 12 by 12 inch deep edged gallery wrapped canvas, and I will do a split cup pour, and I will use this smaller split cup because I want some negative space again, and I will do a hidden colors kind of thing again, that I will pour some colors in and then hide them with white, but in this one chamber I will add just white. And I mixed a little bit of Vallejo polyurethane satin varnish in my white, just to get some kind of wispy look, I hope so. And this is Winsor Blue by Winsor & Newton, and Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. And I will not fill it all over, and this is Amsterdam Expert Series Phthalo Turquoise, because I will pour white on top of them. Okay, and I will pour some white here too, because I want to keep this negative space here. If I will be able to, I don't know. Okay. I definitely don't like that. I had something different in my mind. I will just go once more over. I just think that I have my white a little too thick. Depends on other colors, so I will just thin it down. And add a little more paint into this cup. And I dripped. This was the pattern that I was looking for. Just have to touch this. Probably dripped here or something. Be able to correct this part a little bit. Here is a close-up of the dry result. A beautiful shimmer from iridescent blue-green. I love it. I'm not quite happy with the composition because I'm pretty sure that my white paint was thicker than other paints, and that's why I got this kind of weird looking lines that I normally don't. But still, it's not bad, and I love the sides. They stayed really nice with the sharp lines. Maybe it's even better this way to look at it. I don't know. It reminds me of a winter landscape or something, like a frozen thing. I will definitely have to play a little more. My hand is shaking today, I don't know why. But still, it's not bad at all. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.